Hi, today let's make tasty chicken chili chops. Very simple to make. In a blender, add in some green chilies, then goes in some cleaned and washed coriander leaves, then goes in some garlic cloves, then I'm adding in some salt and then peppercorns. Blend it into a coarse paste without adding water. If you want, add a 1 teaspoon of water and make it into a paste and keep it aside. In a kadai, I've added in oil and then I've added chicken. Once the chicken color has changed, I've added in turmeric powder and then I've added in the green paste and then give it a good mix and cover it with the lid for at least 5 to 6 minutes. And once you take off the lid, just wait till the water evaporates. Once the water is evaporated a little bit, add in squeeze in half lemon juice and then add in some curry leaves. This gives a great taste and flavor. And then the twist is to add a little bit of grated coconut. Give it a good mix. Check for the salt at this stage, and I definitely ask you to try this recipe. Try it and let me know your feedback on the comment below. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. The ingredients and the measurement are on the screen. Enjoy!